promise, kagaya nung huli ko sinabi, ay sasagutin ko yung mga tanong na ipapadala ninyo. Bago yan, gusto ko munang pasalamatan lahat kayo ng mga nagpadala ng inyong mga comment at saka ng mga questions ninyo sa aming website, sa The Singing Bee. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. And I would like to start answering some of those questions. The first question comes from Tia Kaleha of Quezon City. Do you want to get married someday and have a family? Ask me again after 10 years. I'm actually not closing doors, you know. Kasi mahirap naman magsalita ng tapos. Sa ngayon, hindi pa yata. Okay. Next question is from Imay L. Lagarto of Leyte. Out of curiosity, I just want to know the qualities or characteristics that you're looking for in a girl or a woman that might change your gender preference and eventually revert you back to become a real man again. Alam mo, Imay, kung anong qualities ba yung hinahanap mo sa isang tao na lang, yung wala ng gender, siguro yung makakasundo o makakaintindihan. Pwede ako maging ako lang pag kasama ko siya at siya din, ganun sa akin. Next question is from Mira of Nueva Ecija. The question goes, most of your fans are girls and we really like you. How do you feel about that? Of course, I love you guys. Sobra. Like nyo ako, like ko kayo sobra. Kung love nyo ako, love ko kayo sobra. Ganun lang yun. Thank you. The next question comes from Until 18. Ayun, I'm not sure if that's a real name. I think not, but here's your question. If you weren't a singer, what would you rather be? I think I would be a dishwasher. Kasi sobrang hilig ko matugas ng pinggan. You wouldn't believe it. Talagang halos magtipak na yung kamay ko. Pero yun talaga yung trip kong gawin. Ayoko magwalis, ayoko maglinis sa bahay, ayoko maglaba, ayoko magplancha. Pero yung paghugas ng pinggan, maaasahan ko talaga ako. Yan, at ang the best na tanong na napili ko actually, ay nanggaling kay Marie Huntilla of Las Piñas. Here's your question. Have you written any songs? Can you share with us? Kahit hindi competed. Oo, ang sagot dyan. At actually parang pinagkailan ako songs na nasulat eh. Pero this certain song I would like to share with you. Here it goes. Bakit di hawakan bituin sa kalawakan, pintong nakasarado, ikaw ang susi sa kandado. Bakit di samahan, hindi ka bibitawan, pintong nakasarado, ikaw ang susi sa kandado. And there you go! Congratulations to you, Marie Huntilla of Las Piñas. Ikaw nga ang napili at yung question mo ang best question na ipinadala sa aming site. So, magkakaroon ka talaga ng chance na ma-meet and greet yung cast ng The Singing Bee at makapanood ng taping namin at makihalubilo at makibonding sa amin. And, I hope to see you soon. And again, congratulations to you. Ayan, sana po ay nabigyan namin ng kasagutan yung mga tanong na ipinadala ninyo sa aming website. Maraming salamat po sa mga pinadala ninyong comments, sa mga pinadala ninyong questions dahil alam niyo naman nakakatulong talaga yan sa amin. At sana'y patuloy lang ang pagsuporta ninyo sa Missing Indie. At kayo nagbibigay inspirasyon sa amin para pagbutihin palalo yung ginagawa namin sa palabas namin. Again, maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you around.
Is a rating.